Auto Obsessed here. We're at the 2018 SEMA Show and we're in the Angelwax booth. I'm here with Matt. He's from Angelwax headquarters out of Scotland. You've got some new products you want to show us.
Yes, we have indeed. We've got the Enigma all-in-one ceramic compound. It's a one-hit. It cuts, refines, and protects all in one. All in one go. It's new to you guys.
Right, yes.
Yeah, so
we are getting people asking for it, so we will have it shortly.
You will indeed. Next time we ship out to you guys, this will be on there.
For sure.
Okay, both sizes. And again, we've got the new air fresheners as well. We have both Bliss and Eden. There you go, there's one. They come in a nice 300ml bottle and a nice pressurized spray. Gives a nice measure every time. It
smells really good too.
Yeah, this one's fruity and this one's like an aftershave. Very nice.
Excellent.
Lasts a while too.
So maybe just tell me, Matt, how did Angelwax begin?
About 2007, 2008, the chief chemist and myself started messing about with different car products. We played about with waxes and shampoos, and then we just did it for ourselves. And then around 2010, kind of got a bit serious, so we registered a company. And then I started designing branding, product names, and John just keeps coming out with the formulations, bang, bang, bang. So
John's behind us here, the evil genius.
I kind of have to
can't see that at home.
I try my best to keep up with all the stuff that comes out.
Right, yeah.
I do try.
Yeah.
But he's very trying. But yeah, that's how it all started. Just playing, just messing about for ourselves, really.
Yeah.
And
looking for something better.
Yeah, we'd seen what was out there, and we weren't impressed.
Right.
So we just, with John's knowledge in the chemical industry, we just took it a bit further, and we found new raw materials that people that are in the industry they've never heard of, because John's background is printing and surface coating technologies.
Oh, okay.
So using that kind of knowledge that he's got, we just decided to pick different raw materials from different industries and bring them into the vehicle chemical manufacturing. And it works really well, because even now today, there are things in our products that nobody's got, because we take them from a multitude of industries. Chemistry is what we've been doing for years. I first started working with John when I was 17. I'm now 46.
Oh, really?
So, you know, we've known each other a long time.
Right.
Another chemist we have, Bob, at the factory. He's 74, and he's been into chemistry since school.
Right.
So
that's awesome.
You cannot buy that experience. We have it.
Yeah, and it's not just a nice packaging. You know, the product is good. It's not better than the packaging itself. So it's not just a look.
It's value for money.
Right.
And everything is tested. But everything is tested all over the world. So we've got guys in Australia, Singapore, we've got here in the States. So different temperatures. We've got Scandinavia. So we've got the cold, we've got the heat, we've got the humidity. Right. And once all these guys give us the thumbs up, we know it's good to go. And if it works in Scotland, it'll work anywhere. You know?
Yeah.
So it's we have pretty much something for every surface of a vehicle. And if you find a surface that we don't have a product for, let us know. We'll formulate one.
Sounds good. Great. Well, thank you very much, Matt.
You're very welcome. Thanks for dropping by the stand.
Thank you. So the entire Angelwax line, except for the new products, so we'll be seeing the new products probably late 18, early 19. They're online at autoobsessed.com. Thank you for watching.